हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे कंप्यूटर का पेपर क्लास 7 का ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप। तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, रोम स्टैंड्स फॉर, द राइट आंसर इज ए, रीड ओनली मेमोरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, चूज द मेमोरी विच होल्ड्स स्टार्टअप इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर। द राइट आंसर इज सी, रोम। Question number 3, OS is an abbreviation of, the right answer is C, operating system. Question number 4, the software that tells the operating system how to communicate with a device is, the right answer is B, device driver. Question number 5, select the most commonly used operating system for personal computer. MS Windows. Question number 6, select the type of software used to produce letters, reports, papers and memos. The right answer is A, word processing. Question number 7, in MS Word, the default setting of zoom slider is, the right answer is B, 100%. Question number 8, identify the use of following button in MS Word, 2007. The right answer is C, save data. Question number 9, choose the shortcut key to paste the text in MS Word document. The right answer is D, Ctrl plus V. Question number 10, in MS Word, the word count dialog box displays the total number of, the right answer is C, pages. Question number 11, words typed wrong can be removed by using, the right answer is A, backspace key. Question number 12, select the action that can be performed if a user needs to repeat the block of text without typing it. The right answer is A, copy and paste. Question number 13, choose the key that will remove the selected word as shown in the below image. The right answer is D, backspace. Question number 14, in MS Word, text highlighted feature is used to, the right answer is A, mark the important text. Question number 15, the given button in MS Word is used for, the right answer is A, alignment. Question number 16, to mark an important line of information in a list we use, the right answer is A, bullets. Question number 17, select the type of indentation used in the given image. The right answer is D, indent both sides. Question number 18, the text or picture that appears behind the MS Word document is called, D, watermark. Question number 19, a watermark is a text or picture that appears, B, behind the text. Question number 20, in MS Word document, different first page option is used for, the right answer is C. Question number 21, in MS Word the end notes are added, the right answer is C, at the end of document. Question number 22, in MS Word the size of A4 paper in inches is dash, the right answer is A. Question number 23, in slide layouts the boxes with dotted borders are called, the right answer is C, placeholder. Question number 24, identify the number of effects through which the appearance of the slide and background color can be modified. The right answer is B, 3. Question number 25, identify the total number of placeholders available in the following image. The right answer is B, 2. Question number 26, the movement from one slide to another in the slideshow is called, B, slide transition. Question number 27, emails are registered with, the right answer is D, network service providers. Question number 28, identify the domain in the following email address. The right answer is C, gmail.com. Question number 29, in email the incoming messages are sorted in, the right answer is D. Inbox. Question number 30. To read a new email, a user should select the B. Inbox folder. Question number 31. Select the option that is used to include an animation file with email. The right answer is C. Attach. Question number 32. Identify the type of emails that are sorted in the selected folder of the below image. The right answer is D. Incoming. तो ये था आज का पेपर। अगर आपको पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर दें और इस तरह की मजीद वीडियोस को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें। अगली वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।